Hey, what's up, Tyler? Corey here with Key Leads. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips that I was talking about the other day. You applying these three tips to your website, you can actually draw in a lot more traffic and really help grow your business. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Google loves content. They actually see all of it. Even these images all has content behind it. You got UV back there. You can actually be a little bit more buyer's intent with those keywords. That's going to help you draw in more traffic and help you bring in more customers as well. So switching out these pictures, and also I would increase your word count to maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in who you are, what you do. Plus, having that much content on your homepage, you're gonna be able to fight in those keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found, which I'll go over in keywords in just a minute. But kind of giving an example on keywords, I have Google pulled up here, and I just typed in roof repair Philadelphia. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. These came out to replace those old school ads right here, which these have been really spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees. All these do is help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Still another form of paid advertisement, but people do have ad blockers. So a lot of ads aren't even getting through as well. Underneath the ads, we have this little map pack. Some people call it a 3-pack, but this little Google My Business listing. Everybody tries to get to the top 3 positions where that's where all the traffic actually happens. You can see all the different businesses, even multiple pages as well. But get to the top 3 right here. You're going to be dealing with all that. You're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. There's thousands of directories out there. You know, you got like Facebook, you got LinkedIn. There's the local best, City Star, just to name a couple. But really, so what you want to do is come in and go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms on your site, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you've done on that listing. I'm going to come back out of here. Underneath this little map pack, we have all that. This is where all that organic traffic happens. People that don't really like clicking on the ads, they have ad blockers. They all click right here, and really to be found right here on that first page of Google, you're going to be dealing with all that content that I was talking about earlier, making sure that you're found for those keywords. But you need to be on that first page of Google, and that's to really get there. You're going to be dealing with what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, you're going to need quite a few different backlinks coming from different websites. What a backlink is everybody has a website, and what you're going to do is link to their website, and you're going to just draw in power from them, if that makes sense. Kind of easiest terms I could put it. But not all backlinks are actually created equal. Kind of give you an example here. I stuck your URL. Oh, you do want to make your site secure. It's not secure, by the way. I stuck your account inside of Ahrefs or your website. Ahrefs is just it's a tool that a lot of people use just to see what happens on the backside of websites. They just actually buy their information from Google, by the way. So you have 0 referring domains, 0 backlinks. You got 2 keywords you're being found for, and in return, you're not getting any traffic. This, you got this going back in June 20 or so. So it's about 6-7 months old or whatever. Last 3 months here. The 2 keywords you're actually being found for: all trade handyman service, all trade construction. So we want to be a little bit more buyer's intent with the keywords that we're actually trying to be found for. I want to give you an example here. So if you wanted more roofing jobs or roof repair jobs, this is Philly's Roofing. I just put them inside of Ahrefs as well. Just going to do a quick overview. So they got 23 referring domains, pushing back 115 backlinks. They don't have a whole lot. I mean, I've seen companies with thousands, and it really comes down by the quality of the backlink that you actually have as well. And but they got 342 keywords that they're actually being found for. This PPC stands for pay-per-click, so they don't run any ads off of Google. This is all organic. 377 clicks to their website. We can actually see where these clicks are coming from. So all these top 3 right here, first position, Philadelphia Roofing, there's 90 clicks there. Roofing Philadelphia, there's another 100 clicks. Roofer in Philadelphia, just different ways on what people think to type in for roof repair or whatever. 150 clicks right there for Roofer in Philadelphia. The first position, 32 clicks out of 150, 31 clicks out of 100, 30 clicks out of 90. So making sure you're coming in, doing enough backlinking to get you on that first page of Google. You're going to notice your increase of volume start getting a lot higher just from being on those higher positions with Google, if that made sense. And then also making sure you just come in and finding all these keywords that actually will help drive more and more traffic to your website. And then you really just grow your business from there and scale it out. But anyway, hopefully this all made sense. I'd love to sit down and put a custom game plan together with you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips, so that's fine too. Look forward to talking soon. Bye. Take care.